Hi, this is Holly Butler. Today I wanted to chat a little bit about home maintenance on your home. It's always a good idea to have a home maintenance program on your home. Just maybe once a year, go through your home, check, make sure there's no leaks, check the AC, the water heater, get those serviced. That's always a good idea to do once a year. And then just kind of go through your home and make sure the windows there's no cracks and, all of the maintenance stuff. It's a good idea to do maintenance on your home. That way, when there ever comes a time that you want to sell, it's not so hard on you as the seller to do everything and scramble and get all that done to put your house on the market. And it's always a good idea to have home maintenance just so your house is always in tip-top condition. If you have any questions about real estate, we're always here to help. Please reach out to us, Holly Butler team. Thank you and have a great day.